I'm excited to introduce the R5 Pro, the latest addition to the AutoStore Red line of robots. So what's new and how does it differ from the R5? And most importantly, why should you choose the R5 Pro for your fulfillment operations? Well, this robot is the ideal choice for customers operating large-scale, high-throughput facilities, such as e-commerce companies looking to perform uninterrupted multi-shift operations, meeting and exceeding the expectations of their customers. The R5 Pro's fast charge capability means that it spends less time charging and more time working, increasing the productivity of each robot by around 14% in a multi-shift operation. This means that you will reduce the number of robots necessary to meet your throughput requirements. The R5 Pro also significantly reduces the number of chargers you need by 86%, which means that you will get more space to store goods inside your grid and cut maintenance costs for the complete installation. It will also reduce the time it takes to install the system, meaning that you can create value with your AutoStore even faster. So, if you are looking for a critical competitive advantage in meeting high customer demands for fast delivery times combined with lower total cost of ownership, the R5 Pro is the perfect choice, letting you make space for incredible.